Hi everyone, it's Dr. Julie Jack with Pure Living Nutrition. So today I just wanted to show you this very delicious, quick, easy recipe that only involves 3 ingredients. So this is my blueberry banana ice cream with a blueberry date drizzle, and this is perfect for dessert or anytime you have a sweet tooth and you just want to satisfy that sweet craving. So we're going to start with the drizzle first so that when we make the banana ice cream, then we just pour the drizzle on top before it starts to melt. So for the actual blueberry drizzle, I'm personally using just a handheld blender because it's easy and it's small. So if you're using a small little blender like this, then you want to pre-soak the dates for maybe 30 minutes to soften them up a little bit so it's easier to blend. If you want to use a high-speed blender, you can. You don't really need to blend it. I mean, you don't need to really soak it if that's the case. But I'm using about 5 dates. You can use 3 medjool dates. I'm using the smaller Nor dates, so I'm using about 5. That's been pre-soaked for 30 minutes. And I added a little bit of water from the soaking process there. And then I'm also going to be adding half a cup of frozen blueberries. And for the water, you can add about a 1/4 cup of water. I've already added some water that the dates were soaking in, so I'm just going to add a little bit and then eyeball it. If I need more, I'll add more, but just add a little bit at a time. And if you want it more thin of a consistency, you can just keep adding some more water until you reach the consistency that you desire. I'm going to blend this up. Okay, and then this turns out to be a really nice, not so thin consistency of my syrup. You'll see it better when I actually pour it on my ice cream. So for the ice cream, I'm adding 6 frozen bananas and 1 cup of frozen berries. Again, I'm using my food processor, so you don't have to add any water if you're using a food processor. If you choose to use a high-speed blender, even a regular blender could work, then you would want to add some water to make sure that it blends consistently. Otherwise, if you're using the food processor, there's no need to do that. All right, so you're done blending the ice cream up. So we're gonna just scoop this in my bowl so I can show you guys. Final product. This is so delicious and it's so quick and easy, and it doesn't involve any extra added sugars. All natural ingredients. The dates really make it nice and sweet when you add the drizzle on top. Okay. Okay. This on the side here. Okay, so this is what the ice cream looks like. It has the same consistency as ice cream, except you don't have all of the dairy and fats and cholesterol that you would if you were using regular dairy products. Here's the drizzle. Just going to drizzle it on top. Like that. Okay, let's give it a taste test. I just love this recipe. It's so quick and simple and delicious. Okay, you guys, you have to give this a try for sure. It is so easy and it's only 3 ingredients. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This has been my dinner for the past, I don't know how many days. I'll just make a big bowl, literally, of banana and ice cream and add berries in there, and it's perfect. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so for future notifications on my upcoming videos. And you can also find me on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all at Pure Living Nutrition. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next video.